Top one is full screen. It fills the whole screen. Bottom one is regular. It only goes as far as the content.
Hey there, and welcome back to Wix Templates. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to create a full-screen hero section with a transparent header using the regular Wix Editor. It's a simple trick that can instantly make your homepage look more modern and professional. Let's get started.
First, open your site in the Wix Editor and make sure you're on the homepage. We're going to start by setting up the transparent header. Click on the header section, then choose Design, and click Customize Design. In the background settings, set the color opacity to 0. That will make the background fully transparent. Also check that there's no border or drop shadow applied to the header. Turn those off if needed. If your logo or menu text is dark, go ahead and change it to white or a lighter color so it stands out against the background we'll add later.
Next, let's create the full-screen hero section right underneath the header.
Click Add. Strip and choose a blank strip. Drag it to the very top of your page, just under the transparent header. Now click Change Strip Background to add an image, video, or solid color. I recommend using something high contrast so the white text stands out. Once your background is set, click on the strip, open the Tools panel, and set the Y position to 0. This will snap the strip to the top of the page, perfectly aligned behind your transparent header.
Now let's add content to your hero like a heading, subheading, and call to action button.
Click Add Text and drag in a heading and paragraph. Then go to Button and add a call to action. Once you add new elements, the strip might get pushed down automatically. Don't worry, just click on the strip again, open the Tools panel, and reset the Y position back to 0. Now center your content inside the strip. Use the alignment tools to make sure everything is balanced both vertically and horizontally. Choose font sizes that are bold and easy to read. For the button, use a color that stands out from the background, something that really grabs attention. You can also apply simple animations like fade-ins or slide-ins to make the hero section feel more dynamic and polished.
Let's go over a few final tweaks to make sure everything looks great on all devices.
Switch to mobile view and check how everything looks. You might need to resize text or reposition buttons so they don't overlap or get cut off. Once everything looks good, preview the site and scroll through it. Make sure the transparent header overlaps the hero section as intended, and that the layout is clean and responsive.
And that's it. You've just built a full-screen hero section with a transparent header in the Wix Editor. It's a sleek layout that grabs attention from the very first second. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and check out buywixtemplates.com for professionally designed templates that make building beautiful Wix sites even easier. See you in the next video.